So today you can see a bright sunny day in Daikoku. This is a nice view of the parking lot. You can see that this is quite a busy place. Closer to this building you see more normal cars, nice cars too in here interspersed, but more on the outer reaches are where all the fun cars kind of stop and people oogle their cars and talk with friends. It's a very nice place. We're gonna have a walk through this. You can see, there you go, an Integra pulling up here. You can see all sorts of normal cars here too, obviously. But it's an amazing place for anybody who loves cars. You're gonna see, look, even this, actually frankly, this crown looks nice, right? So you see all of these. This thing on the left, I'm not sure what it is. I mean, it's a whole bunch of lights that light up the parking lot, but it's quite a light structure. So here you have some more cars, Mazdas, and take a look at this. This is just gorgeous. An R32 Skyline GTR, but it just looks so hot in this blue. And just feast your eyes on this. This is gorgeous and beautiful. Wow. Look at this. Alright, so we're gonna walk in the other direction. Here's some K cars. Ooh, there's some Lotus sitting there. And quite nice wheels on this one. Exige would take it. And nondescript. There's an Toyota 86 pulling up. There's a nice sound to it. And here we're coming actually on a pair of 240Zs or Fair Lady Zs. It's just gorgeous. If you notice, they have exactly the same wheels. With the little red dot in the middle. They just look gorgeous. I'd love to drive one of these. Look at this. Nice hood too. Just amazing. It's amazing how people keep these up, but I'd love to have one of these old cars. Their newer cars are obviously way more better, isolate you from the road, etc., give you performance, but the older you go, the more just raw you get. And here you go, here's the other spectrum. From across the ocean, another oldie, Mustang. Look at this one. This one looks good too. Nice blue with nice gold rims. That looks really nice. Again, that would be a pleasure to drive. Well, pleasure. Like I said, the older the car is, the more raw the feeling. But it is that feeling that you're looking for a drive, right? So here we are, pulling up. I was actually parked right behind the two Zs, and right here you're gonna see me pulling away. I don't remember what was on the right here, but look at the red wheels on the blue car that's sticking out. Obviously, as I pull out, we'll be able to see what's actually sitting there. And there you go. So what is it? I don't remember. What the hell is that? Can't really recognize it. Maybe somebody can tell me. There's some nice. There was a GTR there. And here's a nice one. There's 4 of these guys. See on the right, you see the rainbow of Porsches. All 4 of them pulled into the parking lot at the same time. It's just such a, the yellow, green, red, and yellow is just an incredible collection of colors. But here we are going through. It's an American day. Plenty of vets here on the right, with the Hakosuka on the right, with some older, Zs, a whole bunch of Zs actually, both 370Zs and 350Zs. So a nice collection. Here we have some what look like an Natasha, more R32s on the right, and there's some Miatas. Look at Benz, Maserati on the left, and a whole bunch of, I think, crowns on the right and on the left. So it's very nicely done. So nice wheels on these crowns. Here are the highways, and taking the other loop. What do we got? Ooh, nice bends on the right here with a Subaru and some Porsches. Now this thing on the left is interesting. It's I don't know really what it is. I've seen it twice now, but Lambo. I think it's a kit car, but I'm still trying to research what exactly it is. Ooh, and here's some American muscle on the right. Ferraris. Lots of different things. Look at these, more exegious. Nice. Now we're coming towards the end, and we're going to be exiting more Zeds. Quite a lot of Zeds today, and Crowns, and Porsche. Actually, Porsche, Crowns, and Zeds. I think that's the underscore of today. And here we are, moving away. It is a beautiful day, gorgeous day to do this drive. Here we're passing the Lawson on the left and the truck parking spots, more Porsches, motorcycles, and here is me coming in. Look at this oldie here. This oldie had nice sound. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be able to hear it, but it's pretty good. Here's a straight that you can do a little, quite a lot of people do a lot of acceleration here, but not today. There's road. They're doing something to the road here. And here is the serpentine of highways on the way home. I love it. This whole circle, this whole exit is really fun, especially when the sound of your engine bounces off the top of these highways. Obviously, everybody. When you're at the parking lot, you can hear people that left. You can hear it all the time. People basically revving their cars and accelerating in these corners. So here we go. Here's the first. We're getting in on this loop, and the next intersection, next fork, basically takes you either back to Tokyo or back to Yokohama, depending where you're going. So I'm going to Yokohama, so I'm gonna go left. But I love it. I mean, this highway is amazing to drive. It just this views on the left. That was a nice car. Here it is. Let me pass this leaf. Look at that. Nice color on the leaf. Actually, I like it. Burnt autumn leaves type color. And here we are. We go onto the Yokohama Bay Bridge with a little acceleration. I think I did acceleration here, but definitely some of it. Again, actually, check out this almost the sun aligns with the bridge, and you have these spars. It just looks like rays of the sun right now. Wow. Actually, this was kind of cool. Actually, this whole bridge is very cool. So, thank you.